I would recommend that people use NHBB, and in fact I have talked to people and said, they've asked about our process. Who was your builder, they say. I said we went through a building broker, and that we ended up with a builder, so people are quite interested in that process when I mention that. So I would definitely recommend that the process that we went through with NHBB to find a builder that suited our needs was a much better way of doing things than trudging down streets looking at 100 display homes and not knowing what the builder was going to come up with.
Yeah, it seems like a process that made perfect sense to me. Someone that was an advocate for our side of the build, and someone that could give us extreme experience where we had very little, and wanted to make sure there was always a buffer between us and the builder, and make sure that everything was on track and was above board and was operating and progressing the way it was supposed to.
We didn't have much idea what a building broker does, but at the first meeting Michael explained himself what they could do for us, the process involved, where they could take us, which kept us fully informed. It was a very simple process, where it was vastly cheaper for starters, and the great thing with new home building brokers is they analysed the plans that we had, and they made recommendations to change the plans to save us money on the design itself.
So for us, working with the building brokers was fantastic. Lots of advice on what to do, where to go next, and the biggest thing was finding us a great builder. The whole process for us just took out a lot of panic or stress that we would have had we had to do it ourselves.